Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel, Ayurchikitsa. Today we are going to discuss about diarrhea. What is diarrhea? Diarrhea is usually caused by virus, sometimes by contaminated food or water. Symptoms of diarrhea like loose stools, watery stools, nausea, weakness, stomach pain. ORS refers to water that contains salt and glucose. It replaces the lost electrolytes lost in the stool. According to Ayurveda, imbalance of Vata, Pitta and Kapha doshas. Now, I am going to tell you some of tips you can use these remedies when you have diarrhea. First tip. Take 3 grams of fennel seeds and jeera together. Dry roast it. Make a fine powder. Daily 2 to 3 times. Drink with water. It helps to control the loose motion. Tip number 2. Take 6 to 10 lemon seeds. Mix with water. Make a paste. Apply that paste on belly part, in and around belly part. Loose motion problem will reduce. Tip number 3. Take pomegranate outer skin, grind it with little drops of water, strain it, drink 2 times a day. By this, blood in stool while passing loose motion will stop. 100% guaranteed. Try once. Tip number 4. Take 1 glass of plain water, add 1 teaspoon of amla powder, or you can add 1 amla crushed fruit to it. Boil the mixture till it becomes half glass. Once it is warm, drink 2 times a day. Water loose motion will stop. Tip number 5. Take fennel seeds, dry ginger, roast in a ghee, make a fine powder and store it. Take 1 teaspoon of already prepared powder, mix with 1 glass of plain water, drink daily. Tip number 6. Take 1 gram of asafoetida powder and also called as inguva or hing. Mix with warm water, drink. Your stomach pain and loose motion will reduce. Tip number 7. Take nutmeg, small piece. It is also called as jajikaya. Make thick paste. Apply in and around the belly region. It helps to stop loose motion and stomach pain related issues. Tip number 8. People are suffering from long-term indigestion loose motion problem. For them, here is a effective remedy. Take 5 to 6 guava leaves, put it in pan, add 1 glass of plain water, boil and bring it to warm. Drink daily. Tip number 9. Babies and kids suffering from watery loose motion problem by indigestion or from bacteria present in the stomach. For them, take 1 glass of sugarcane juice, mix half glass of pomegranate fresh juice. Drink 2 times a day. By this, blood loose motion will come to an control. Tip number 10. Take 1 ripe tomato, remove the outer skin, apply little sugar on inner part of the fruit, squeeze and extract the juice. Give every 3 hours. Once, make it fresh before giving. Do not store it. Take black salt and borax. It is also called as velligaram and it is also called as tankanam. Take equal quantity of both. Dry roast separately. Make powder and store it. Take 1 pinch prepared powder. Mix with 1/4 teaspoon of honey. Give it to the kids. Your indigestion problem will reduce. Tip number 12. Take 1 teaspoon of methi seeds. Soak in 1 cup of curd for 1 hour. After that, eat once in a day. It helps to reduce the stomach pain and mucus secretion while passing the loose motion. Take 2 grams of cinnamon stick, make fine powder, mix with plain water, drink at night time. It reduces the mucus loose motion and kills bacteria in the body. Take 3 grams of elaichi powder, mix with 10 grams of fresh homemade butter. Eat daily once till the mucus loose motion stops with stomach pain. Extract juice from pomegranate peel, mix with honey. Eat 2 times a day. It helps blood in a stool will reduce. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do like, share and comment, and this will boost us to do more and more informative videos